Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 60 by 72 inch shower curtain liner on the market. The Barossa Design Shower Curtain Liner. If you're looking for a durable, functional, and stylish liner to protect your bathroom from water splashes, this product could be exactly what you need. The Barossa Design Shower Curtain Liner is crafted from premium heavy-duty PVA material, which is not only waterproof but also PVC-free and BPA-free. This means it avoids the harsh chemical odors and toxins commonly found in some plastic liners, making it safer for you and your family. Its transparency adds an elegant touch, allowing your bathroom decor to shine through while still providing the practical water barrier you expect. Measuring 60 inches wide and 72 inches long, this liner fits most standard showers perfectly. One of its standout features is the reinforced header equipped with 10 rust-proof metal grommets, which prevent tearing and ensure easy hanging on your shower rod. This durability means you won't have to worry about replacing it frequently, which is always a bonus for any bathroom accessory. But what truly sets this liner apart are the 6 weighted magnets embedded at the bottom. These magnets keep the liner firmly in place, preventing it from billowing or blowing inward while you shower. This thoughtful design helps keep water inside your shower area, reducing mess and maintaining comfort during use. Maintenance is simple with the Barossa Design Liner. You can easily wipe it clean with a damp cloth, so no need for complicated washing or drying routines. It can also serve as a standalone shower curtain if you prefer a clear, minimalistic look that complements any bathroom style, whether at home, in a condo, or even at a gym or hotel. In summary, the Barossa Design 60 by 72 shower curtain liner offers a perfect balance of quality, safety, and practicality. Its premium PVA construction, reinforced metal grommets, and weighted magnets make it a reliable and long-lasting solution for keeping your bathroom dry and stylish. If you're in the market for a shower liner that's easy to care for, durable, and functional, this liner deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.